A 1982 Detroit 466 82 International, loaded, about 8 tons of shit in the back of it, dual wheel dump truck, and I'm in 4 low. We're pulling it. We need full power. Turn the AC off in my 6.0. Spinning now. Yeah, spinning on dry blacktop. Those are 35, 12, 50, 20s spinning. And a barking the tires. That old truck won't climb a hill because it's overloaded. We're bouncing's the rear end, spinning. I'm in 4 low, just 2-wheel drive though. That's hard on the U-joints. Oh yeah, that's hard on it. I couldn't get out and lock the hubs in because the dump truck's brakes wouldn't hold it. He started rolling down the hill as I was putting the choker on it. Crest the hill now. I'll probably hook onto the ass end of him when we go down the hill so that it won't get away from him. The blower's on the truck right now. We're at 208 and 215 on the oil temperatures. That SCT shit is not very bright. I don't like that part of it. See, it's how lame. You spend $500 on something and you can't even see the damn thing. Alright, here we are. You stay in there. That dude stalled all the way out. Just now, it was running a minute ago. It's still got that shit in the tank. Maybe, I don't know.